Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to activate the auto light on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. As you can see, we have the Indiglo button right here. So if you are working in the dark and you want your Timex watch to light up every time you press any of the buttons on your Timex, all you need to do is to press and hold the Indiglo for around 5 seconds, and a small moon is going to appear right here. So now every time I press a certain button, the Indiglo is going to activate. So this is going to work for all of the buttons, not only the Indiglo. If you want to switch it back up, because this is going to drain a lot of energy from your battery, so it is going to die a lot faster if you keep on using this function, press and hold once again for 5 seconds, and that little moon is going to disappear. In case your battery is dead and you want to replace the watch battery on your Timex Ironman, I have a full guide. Make sure to watch the link in the description box below. And also, if you want to learn about all the functions and features on your Timex Ironman Triathlon, so how to set the time and date, how to switch between time 1 and time 2, so T1 and T2, the chrono function, the timer, and the alarm, I have a full guide with all the functions and features, link in the description box below, and I'm also going to try to link it right here in the upper right hand corner, so make sure to check it out, guys. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.